Fried Fish Value Meal 100 pesos is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog number 90. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still here in California because of the COVID, but dreaming of being at the resort soon. We have an a la carte menu and also a value meal menu. The value meal menu, all the items are only 100 pesos and include iced tea or coffee. We hope you'll come by and try it. We're open for business. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
Akala ko lahat ay totoo, yun pala'y puro biro lamang sa iyo.
And now guys, I'm gonna show how we made our fish value meal. And these are the items on it. Of course, the fish, rice, salad, fruit salad, and then the achara. In a plate, I will put first the rice, and next is the fish. It's already fried. Next would be the salad. And last is the achara. And now, as you can see, this is our finished product of our fish value meal.
Akala ko lahat ay totoo, yun pala'y puro biro lamang sa iyo. At sa puso ko, dinamdam ko ang mga ito, dahil naniwala sa lahat ng mga sinabi mo. Ginawa mo akong isang gago, pinaniwala na tapat ang pag-ibig mo. Nagtiwala ng buong buo, ngunit ngayon ay isip ko'y gulong-gulo. Nanghihinayang ako, bakit ikaw ang pinili ko? Di mo man lang ako kayang ipagtanggol. Nanghihinayang ako, sinaktan mo ang damdamin ko. Sana ay di na lang naniwala sa'yo. Nanghihinayang ako, bakit ikaw ang pinili